Wind and rain turned icy today in San Francisco and much of the East Bay. People sent us their videos capturing a quick-moving hailstorm that left pellet-sized ice on the ground. KTVU's Christina Rendon live now in Oakland with more on the thunder and lightning that put on quite a show today. Christina.
Yeah, Julie, well, wild is a good way to describe it. People were pulling out their phones to snap pictures and take videos of the weather today and the hail. Well, that was an unexpected turn in the stretch of rain we've had so far. A spin on the Bay Area's wet weather Tuesday, lightning illuminating San Francisco and striking Sutro Tower. Then came the hail, seen here during the noon hour on Union Street. By 12:30, it hit the Oakland Hills, falling in Steve Tesler's backyard.
It was amazing. First there was thunder, first there was lightning and then thunder, and then all of a sudden it starts raining and then it starts hailing. And the hail lasted for a good 4 or 5 minutes, I would think.
There was so much hail, from pellet to pea size, it looked more like snow on this street of the Park Ridge Estates neighborhood. Darlene Jan took these images from her home.
It was just truly amazing. I've never seen that much hail or thunder and lightning here in the Bay Area. I used to live in Sedona, Arizona, and we would have monsoon rains. As soon as we heard the thunder and lightning, we ran out front.
The hail quickly came and went, and while most melted, some stayed behind in patches on rooftops and patios. People don't recall ever seeing weather like this, not just the hail, thunder, and lightning, but the stretch of storms we've had for days now.
I think it's unusual we've had this much rain in such a short period of time.
Well, it's long overdue. Let's put it that way.
Tesler has 2 weather stations in his yard, one on an antenna, the other on a shed. He showed us the app that tracks the rainfall.
Today we had 1.5 inches of rain.
And says since the start of the year, their neighborhood has received 9.4 inches of rain.
Problem is, it's just so much at one time. If it was spaced out a little bit, it'd probably be better for the ground and better for everyone else. But we definitely need the water.
And there are a number of images and videos on social media, just like this one on Twitter, showing lightning striking the Transamerica Pyramid in the city. And the hail didn't just hit San Francisco and Oakland. It also stretched into the greater part of the East Bay, hitting places like Walnut Creek and Pleasant Hill. Julie?
Yeah, I found myself in a little bit of that hail as well. Christina, thank you.